mag Northeastern irwake timbe mag njore kaluwore gi nok mag tije gwenge makono. Kaluwore gi nonro manotim gi migawo moro marango weche mag ochumi kaachiel gi kwe pacho ka, chal ma kamano bende nonenore e counties makadho wadh nam chumbi, gino madwarore ni onywakne lwedo gi migepe mopogore opogore. E kinde romo manokelo kanyakla rawere kaachiel gi jotend arita makono, jokanyo nowinjore chako ayanga yore mamoko mag biro chiwo thuolo mag tije ne rowere.
Asilimia 4 ya utafiti wetu waonyesha asilimia 4 ya vijana ambao wanajihusisha na mambo ya utovu wa usalama. Ndio maana tumekuja hapa kuwahamasisha ili waweze kuwa na hiyo elimu. Kosa elimu pia ni mzuri, si mzuri kabisa, kwa sababu wakielimishwa wanaweza kuepukana na haya mambo ya kuweka kwenye itikadi zikali.
I think it's time we change strategy and start dealing with me in quotes. So me is me and you and everybody else. Then after dealing with me and my attitude and how I operate, how I do things, then I will be able to transfer that energy to the next person, to the whole community, to the whole county and to the whole nation. And gradually attitudes will change so that we really get to the real problem.
For a young man living in this country who is jobless, who is facing a lot of marginalization and discrimination from his government, this looks like an attractive situation. But we say that we are asking our young people, I included, that there is no alternative to having peace in our countries. We ask them to take part in such meetings. And this training today is to build a discussion, dialogue with the community peace actors and IEP, and also to explain to the community peace actors